Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel Proud to be Indian. In this video, I will review one of the very important institution in India, that is Rungta Group of Institution. आज हम बात करेंगे रुंगटा ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन जो कि भिलाई छत्तीसगढ़ में सिचुएटेड है. ओके, सो इन दिस वीडियो आई विल गिव यू कंप्लीट डिटेल अबाउट दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन. ओके, सो व्हाट आर द कोर्स दे ऑफर्ड, हाउ कैन यू अप्लाई इन दिस institution. Okay, what are the fee structure of this institution. Okay, so beside that we will also get the information related to the placement, faculties member, campus life. So whole thing will get in the video. Okay, so first of all guys, if you are new viewer to my channel, then don't forget to support my channel. Okay, because you will get all type of important video in this channel. So let us move to our video. Okay, so as you can see here, I came to the official website of Rungta Group of Institution, that is in Bhilai, Chhattisgarh, Raipur. Okay, तो लिटिल बिट लेट अस नो अबाउट दिस कॉलेज. सो कॉलेज के बारे में थोड़ा हम लोग जान लेते हैं. सो एक्चुअली रुंगटा ग्रुप ऑफ इंस्टीट्यूशन भिलाई वाज स्टैब्लिश इन 1999. ओके, दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन वाज स्टैब्लिश इन 1999 छत्तीसगढ़, इन छत्तीसगढ़. ओके, so have a look about the vision and mission of this institution. So the main vision of this institution is to recognize among the top ranking institution in the country by 2025. So they created a target up to which they want to be a top ranking institution, and no doubt this institution is progressing. Okay, बहुत ही fast speed से progress कर रहा है. Okay, and the main mission is to produce qualified and competent graduate to serve humanities. Okay, so their main mission to produce competent graduate to serve the humanity. So very good mission of this institution. Now talking to the next section, that why Rungta Group of Institution. Okay, so the question may arises that why should I choose this Rungta Group of Institution. So I will give you variety of reason for which you will means you have to choose the Rungta Group of Institution. Okay, आपको ये चूज करने पे मजबूर हो जाएगा. मीन्स इतना वही फैसिलिटीज़ वगैरह ये है कि आप मीन्स you will choose the Rungta Group of Institution. So reason number one, placement. Rungta Group of Institution had outstanding and excellent placement record. Okay, almost all students get placed. Okay, you can have a look also that varieties of company visited such as Cognizant, IBM, Wipro, Capgemini. Okay, and recently one student got 48 LPA, means highest package 48 जा रहा है. समझ सकते हैं how much this college good is. Okay, second reason I can say you about the ranking. So this college also have good rank, variety of rank means have been given into this college. Okay, बहुत सारा rank means इसमें मिला. Beside that this college have got NAC grade A affiliation. Okay, and also top 100 pharmacy college in means NIRF ranking they also gave. Okay, also this institution have a tie-up program. So variety of reason you can see here for the means choosing of Rungta. Okay, also you can see here a good means campus area 15 lakhs. So again outstanding. Okay, now moving to the next section, that how much application fee you have to pay for this. So application fee means no application fee applicable. Okay, beside that I am providing a link Google form in the description box where you can check the okay Google form and go and fill the Google form. So if you apply the code also, then you can get free. Okay, beside that एक नंबर भी प्रोवाइड किया गया where you can कॉल मीन्स अगर कोई भी डाउट हो then you can call there. Okay, आप वहाँ डाउट मीन्स कॉल कर सकते हैं. Okay, now let us move to the next section, that is the very important, what are the courses that offered. Okay, because many students have doubt that कौन सा कोर्स ऑफर्ड किया जाता है. Okay, so variety of courses available in this institution. BTech in automobile engineering, BTech in agriculture engineering, BTech in civil engineering, BTech in computer science engineering, BTech in computer science and AI जो कि artificial intelligence. Okay, beside that electrical engineering, data science, electronics and telecoms, IT, also they provide bachelor in pharmacy. Okay, so variety of means courses they offer. Beside that BS in computer science, biotechnology, B.Ed also provide MTech and MTech in civil engineering. Beside means MCA you can also do in this. So a variety of courses it offer. Okay, now moving to the next section, that what is the fee structure of this institution. Okay, so fee structure vary according to means different departments. Okay, ऑल्सो मीन्स यू कैन नो द अबाउट द एडमिशन प्रोसीड्यूर, जो कि मीन्स मैं आपको कुछ ही देर में बताऊंगा कि व्हाट आर द एडमिशन प्रोसीड्यूर ऑफ दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन. ओके, सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल लेट अस टू द fee structure. So for the BTech you can see the fee structure. Okay, so total you have to pay means one time fee, this is the total 38,000. Okay, RCT भिलाई और रायपुर का इतना होता है. Okay, 38,782. डिप्लोमा इन इंजीनियरिंग, okay, for the means semester fee you have to pay 20,000 for भिलाई and 18,000 for रायपुर. Okay, but I will completely focus on भिलाई. Okay, MTech also semester fee 34,875. Okay, I can also see pharmacy have 35,950 total fee. Okay, D pharmacy you can also have a look here. So one time fee. Okay, so you can also take the screenshot of this fee structure. Now moving to the next section, that placement. So what about this placement? So earlier I have also said you about the placement record of this institution. Okay, so this institution have excellent and marvelous placement record. Okay, अभी मैंने बताया कि मीन्स 48 लाख पर एनम, दैट इज द हाईएस्ट पैकेज ऑफ दिस भिलाई इंस्टीट्यूशन. तो समझ सकते हैं कितना मीन्स ग्रेट है. ओके, ऑल्सो वेराइटी ऑफ MNC कंपनी लाइक विप्रोस, कोग्निजेंट, सैप लैब्स विजिटेड. ओके, दैट प्रोवाइड number of various job offer. Okay, you can also currently look here that 2500 plus job offer, that is very good for a particular college. Okay, and 100% placement for eligible students. So the student which are eligible got 100% placement. Okay, so आप यानी अगर पढ़ने में भी एवरेज भी है then you can get good placement here. Okay, इन आप अगर कुछ पढ़ेंगे नहीं भाई तो so how can a company choose, ये सीधा सीधा बात है. Okay, so this is all about the placement of this institution. Now let us talk something little bit about the infrastructure, because again infrastructure for any institution is means matters a lot. कोई इंस्टीट्यूशन का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर कैसा है वो जानना बहुत ही ज़रूरी होता है. ओके, सो लेट अस टॉक समथिंग अबाउट द इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. सो दिस इंस्टीट्यूशन हैव अ ग्रेट इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर. यू कैन सी हियर द जनरल इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इज 2 state of art campuses, 15 lakh builder space already for being put to use, 150 plus acres sprawling lush green campus. So campus is also very big, so you will enjoy a good campus life. Okay, also varieties of laboratories and classrooms available. क्लासरूम में आप देख सकते हैं E-classroom also provided with LCDs, tablet, PCs, IPS camera. Okay, so you will get a good campus life as well as a good infrastructure in this institution. Okay, also have auditorium, air theater, that is central library, labs. Okay, playground. So you will also, if you are interested in cricket or what can we say any type of sport, then you will get. Okay, हमेशा in this college tech fest, cultural fest all time होते रहता है. Okay, can also see the life at this wonderful institution. Okay, so you will enjoy a good hostel life as well as means college life. Okay, so आप देख सकते हैं hostel का भी scene. Okay, so hostel is also marvelous of this college. Okay, so variety of visual available, you can go and check there. Okay, have also ATM facilities, medical facilities, stationary facilities, so lot of facilities available. Now moving to the next section, that is very very important about the faculties members. So what about the faculties or teacher? So again faculties are outstanding. Okay, so no doubt this institution provide you a good faculties member. Okay, and that will sufficient means that will provide you a good education. Okay, and I have already discussed the main vision of this institution, that their main vision is to provide the good education and also to produce a good undergraduate personnel. Okay, so this college is means completely devoted to that. Most of the teacher are the PhD degree holder and some of them from the various great institution. Okay, so you will get a full satisfied and means 10 plus year experience teacher. Okay, and some teacher also have a journal published in that. Okay, now let us move to the campus life that I have already discussed, but let us see something visual about this institution. Okay, so let us talk something the photo gallery of this institution. Okay, so after seeing this you will completely fall in love with this. Okay, you can see here that TEDx program also available in this, means हमेशा होते रहता है भाई व्यायाम रायपुर. Okay, फेयरवेल प्रोग्राम, फेयरवेल भिलाई, प्लेसमेंट सीन. ओके, सच यू सपने मीन्स सच हुए सपने मीन्स वेराइटी ऑफ प्रोग्राम्स ऑल्सो अवेलेबल. ओके, फेयरवेल का ही बहुत सारा है. ओके, So this college have good campus life as well as hostel life that I have already discussed. Now extra curriculum activities, I have said you that this college organize a special alumni meet or placementa, Sasatra International Conference, Alvida Farewell, okay, and also extracurricular sports facility that I have already said. So you can see the visual of farewell. तो wow, it's a great, okay, देख सकते हैं कितना मीन्स अच्छा. So you will enjoy a good campus life as well as means other curricular activities. So no any problem in that. Now moving to the last section, that is very important, that admission procedure. How will you get admission in this? So I have already mentioned the eligibility criteria for the admission. There are various condition. First means बहुत सारे से आप जा सकते हैं. If you are a Chhattisgarh state students, or if you want to take admission through state quota, then you have to give the state entrance examination. Okay, that is PET, pre-engineering entrance test. Okay, or other state quota you can also apply through the JEE main rank. Okay, and if you have a 10+2 rank, then you can also apply. Besides that, there is a third option available, that management quota. So if you have a good low rank either in JEE main or other, then you can take direct admission in the management quota. Okay, I will also provide a link in the description box, जहाँ से आप कोई भी प्रॉब्लम है तो आप चेक कर सकते हैं. मीन्स आपको 100% सोल्यूशन मिलेगा. ओके, जहाँ पर मैंने एक नंबर नोट दिया तो आप सर से बात करके कोई भी डाउट हो यू कैन आस्क. ओके, बिसाइड दैट आई हैव ऑल्सो प्रोवाइड अ गूगल फॉर्म. ओके, आपको गूगल फॉर्म फिलअप करना होगा. उसके बाद आवर सीनियर मीन्स वे कॉन्टैक्ट ही. ओके, मीन्स सीनियर ने मीन्स वो जो कॉलेज से रिलेटेड आपको पर्सनल है वो कॉन्टैक्ट करेंगे. ओके, so finally guys, this is all about the Rungta group of institution. I hope you all doubt regarding this institution is well. Okay, last में let us talk something pros and cons. So pros है ये भाई, this college is a good in every respect, either placement, campus, hostel life, okay, in all things. Con is that for some departments such as you can say BCA, there is a little bit placement थोड़ा भाई कम होता है. Okay, so उसमें थोड़ा I have doubt, but yeah, if you have a means potential, then you can get into this, no any problem that. Okay, so these are all about the pros and cons of this Rungta group of institution. So finally I completed the all detail of the Rungta group of institution. If you still have any doubt, then you can ask me in the comment box. Okay, or either I have also provided the contact number, so you can contact there too. So फिलहाल इस वीडियो में इतना ही था. Till then, bye bye, मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो में. जय हिंद.